Good morning students. I am back with another video. In our previous video we were doing subject and predicate. Today we will do few exercises based on it, and before starting our exercise first we will discuss our homework part. Then we will do exercise. In my previous video I have given you two exercises for your homework. If you have not done your homework, then do it now, and if you have done your homework, then it's very good. Check your answers. So the first exercise was add subject to the following sentences. You have to add a subject here. On the screen you can see that the answers are displaying. The first one was dash is bad to your teeth. Chocolate is bad to your teeth. Second, dash is a faithful animal. Dog is a faithful animal. Third, dash was singing on the stage. He was singing on the stage. Fourth, we should donate blood to the poor. Fifth, dash goes around the earth. The moon goes around the earth. You all know that. Sixth, dash delivered the speech in the assembly. The boy or the girl delivered the speech in the assembly. Seventh, the books on the table are mine. Eighth, Delhi is the capital of India. Everyone know that. Ninth, Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India. 10th was February is the shortest month of the year. Now see the second exercise. In this you have to complete the sentences by putting appropriate predicates. You have to write the predicates. Subjects are given, you have to fill with predicate. The first one was the Himalayas are covered with snow. Second, the sun rises in the east. Third, this message was sent to parents. Fourth, the dog is a faithful animal. Fifth, my watch is very expensive. Sixth, the soldiers are always on their duties. Seventh, a morning walk is good for health. Eighth, the tennis team won the match. Ninth, the professor taught us. 10th, everyone should love his country. So now your homework is done. Now we will do one more exercise. In this you have to match the subjects in column A with the predicate in column B appropriately. It means column A are all subjects and column B are predicates. You have to match it. The first one is the tsunami waves. It will go with E. E is kills thousands of people. Now take the second one, the Ganga. It will go with G, is an Indian holy river. Now 3, the painter. It will go with A, has painted the French colorful. Now 4th, typing. It will go with J, typing is an important skill. Now 5th, a schedule. It will go with B, helps students with time management. Now 6, Gandhi ji is called the father of the nation. You all know that. Now 7th is the farmers are sowing seeds. The farmer will go with I. The farmers are sowing seeds. Now in 8th one, my mother. It will go with C, cooks delicious food. 9th, the sweeper. It will go with D, is sweeping the floor. Now the last one, this novel is, it will go with F, is very interesting. Hope you have done. If you have your grammar book, then write it there or do it there. If you don't have your grammar book, then write in your copies. Now all the exercises are done from subject and predicate chapter. Now we will learn few rules regarding Transformation of sentences from chapter 1, the sentence. This topic is very important, so listen carefully and note everything in your copies. The first one is you have to change affirmative sentences to negative sentences. These rules will help you to make better sentences. Rule 1 is only, alone, merely will be replaced with not but. Not but will be used when you are referring to a person, for a person. Nothing but will be used for a referring to a thing, for a thing. Not more than or less than will be used for a number. It will be clear with example. See example. Only she knows how to play football. Here she is a person, so you will use not but. Then you will write like this: not but she knows how to play football. Not but will use. Now see another example. He has only 10 pens. Now 10 pens, so it is a number, so now you will use not more than or less than. Not more than or less than, so you will write like this: he has not more than 10 pens. Hope now rule 1 is clear. Now moving to rule 2. In this, replace must with cannot help along with verb and ing. So you have to replace must with cannot help along verb and ing. See first example. We must obey our parents. So you will write like this: we cannot help obeying our parents. Ing is add cannot help. Now see the second rule. Both, replace both plus and joining two. Here bracket will be there. Not only with not only plus but also. See example, then it will be clear. Both Khushi and Reena were excited. Here and is there, so and will be replaced with, see like this: not only Khushi but also Reena was excited. Now see the second one. He was obedient and gentle. Now you will write like this: he was not only obedient but also gentle. Now see rule 4. As soon, replace as soon as to no sooner had. See the example. As soon as she received the call, she left her office. So as soon will be replaced with no sooner had. She received the call, she left her office. Hope it is clear. Now rule 5 is replace always with never. She always attends the class. Then you will change like this: she never. Always with never. Here you have changed the tense also. Attend misses the class. Now 6. Many, replace many with not a few. Example: I have many friends. So you will write like this: I do not have a few friends. Now see the 7th. a few. Replace a few with not many. India has few scientists. So you will replace like this. India does not have many scientists. Now see the eighth rule. Much. Replace much with a little. She has much time to do this. She does not have a little time to do this. Now in this you have to change assertive sentences to interrogative sentences. Now what are assertive sentences? Assertive sentences, they are in a form of statement. They always end with a period. And interrogative sentences are, they always ask a question. Now see first rule. Never will be replaced with ever. I never drink tea. So you will replace like this. Do I ever drink tea? Now see the second rule. Everybody, everyone, all will be replaced with who plus does not, don't, did not. So see the example. Everyone in India knows about Rajnikant. So here everyone is replaced with who does not know in India about Rajnikant. Hope it is clear. Now in this you have to change exclamatory sentences to assertive sentences. Now what is exclamatory sentences? They are those sentences which express feelings and your sudden feeling, strong feelings. They all are exclamatory sentences. And assertive sentences, they are in a form of statement. Now see the rule first. How or what will be replaced with very before adjective, great before noun. It means if we have adjective, then we will use very, and if we have noun, then we will use great. Now see the example so that it is clear to you. What a fool you are. So what a fool you are. You is a now you will replace you with great. You with great. What a fool you are. You are a great fool. And here subject is you. Now see the second one. How fortunate you are. Now you will write like this. You are very fortunate. Now moving to imperative sentences to assertive sentences. Now what are imperative sentences? Imperative sentences are those sentences which give you command, request, advice and suggestions. And you have to change it in assertive form. And assertive are those sentences which are in a form of statement. They tells the informations. Now see the rule first. Subject plus should to the verb, means replace subject to should to the verb. See example so that it is clear. Go and do the work. So now you have to write like this. You should go and do your work. Now see the second. Please, you are requested to. Here you will replace please to you are requested to. Then you will write like this. See example. Please help me You are requested to help me. Please, you have replaced with you are requested to help me. Now, this is your homework for today. Change the sentences as directed. The first one is, can you switch on the light please? You have to change this to imperative sentence. Similarly, she is my best friend. You have to change to interrogative. Call her inside negative. I never ask you to do it interrogative. What a pleasant surprise it is assertive. Is she writing a story? Assertive you have to change. 7. It is available at every shop. Negative declarative you have to change it. Now 8. The hunter has lost his hope. Interrogative. The schools are not closed today. Assertive. Is the room ventilated? Assertive. Do your homework.